Today our subject is passive voice in Turkish. Verbs can be stated in the active voice or passive voice. In the active voice, the person or thing that is carrying out the action is clear. We know who the doer is. In the passive voice, we are only aware of who, what the action is being performed upon. We don't always know who is doing the action. In English, we generally express the passive voice using to be. In Turkish, we can convert a verb into the passive voice by attaching certain suffixes to its root. We obtain the verb root by removing the mak, mek from the infinite form. For example, the verb root of izlemek would be izle, bulmak would be bul, and açmak would be aç. There are three different passive voice suffixes that we can attach based on the spelling of the verb root. We focus on whether its last letter is vowel or consonant. Case 1. Ends in vowel, ne. Verb root plus ne plus mak, mek. The first case is when the verb root has a vowel at the end of it. To convert it into the passive voice, we attach a n after it. Case 2. Ends in le, in, un, ün. Verb root plus in, un, ün plus mak, mek. The second case is when the verb has the letter L at the end. To convert it into the passive voice, we attach one of in, un, ün after it based on its last vowel. Case 3. Ends in consonant, il, ul, ül. Verb root plus il, ul, ül plus mak, mek. The third case is when the verb root ends in a consonant besides L. To convert it into the passive voice, we attach one of il, ul, ül after it based on its last vowel. So, today we studied on three cases of passive voice in Turkish. In next lesson, we will come together for must, have to, and should. The subjects should be checked until the next lesson. Bye.